Okay, so related to this period, so when you access the content of any object or any class, so that is the place where you can use this period. Say I explained about accessing this length method on the str object. Same time you can say that I'm trying to access the out object on this static class, sorry, static object on the system class. So you can access the content of any class or the method of the object or the variable of the object based on their accessibility. So if any method, say for example length method, is accessible on the object of and the object str, so that's the reason we are able to access this one. So to access any content, it could be variable or method of any object or class, we have to use this period. So let's move to the next topic, that is how to use this Java packages. So Java packages are available. These are the APIs which are provided from Oracle. So there are a lot of ways to look for the APIs. APIs are predefined pre-compiled classes and which are available in the jar. So as I mentioned in the few last section of the videos, that these APIs are available in say one of the jar file is called rt.jar. But as a programmer, you want to see that what is the capability of any API. So what you need to do, you just access this URL. I'm just copying this link and going to my URL. So doc.oracle.com. Sorry, it is docs. So it will give you all the documentation on Oracle. So what we are interested in, that is about Java documentation. So we are interested in Java SE 7 doc API. Let's copy it to avoid all this confusion in the URL. Okay, so you can see here, this is all the APIs are available that you can visit. So what is the purpose of this UI? So you can see all the capabilities, all the available methods or variables or constructor on any API. So these are APIs available in the package. I will tell you what package is. So let's talk about let's give an example of java.lang. So java.lang is the package which has a lot of classes and interface. So very familiar class that we do is string. So if you see the class string, this is the package java.lang.string, and this is the your class. So in the API you can read it out. So I will suggest each programmer to go through the API, what you use in the code, to understand those API in detail. This will help you to understand the depth of any API and understand the capability of API, so that you can use those capabilities in your program. So every class will have fields. Field is nothing but your attribute, your variables. So it has fields, and there are a lot of constructors. Constructors are like the constructors are the name of the constructor is nothing but a method which has the same name as your class name. So you will see a lot of constructors over here that is applicable for the string. Constructor is used when you try to create the object of, when you do the instantiation of any class, or when you create the object of any class, at the time constructor comes into picture. So these are the methods which you can use on a string. So, and you can see the detail of each method, what it does, and so you understand the capability, and based on the need in your program or in a project, you can use them. So what you need to do is need to access this URL. Right now I am looking for Java 7. You can look for lower version or higher version as well, based on your need. So any new version will have some additional APIs. So here you saw that I am trying to access Java Lang package. So these are the all packages. Once you click on that, you will see the details in that package, what are the classes and interfaces are available in that package. So these are the things which are available in the Java Lang package. So one thing to tell you that, see here I have used string. String belongs to package java.lang. You can see here. So in the Eclipse you have also kind of capability where you can see your API directly. So what you need to do, either you just mouse over on that class, and as it suggests, you can press F2 and you can see the whole detail of the string. So otherwise what you can do is just go there and right click and say open declaration. So this, you can see the string class. This is a readable class, that is basically kind of deserialized class. So here you can see all those things, whatever we see in the API, those things you can see over here as well. So you can see the copyright. This is about who owns this, then package, where it belongs to, and in this string class what are the other classes it uses. So other, if you see here, if it is any class which are present in java.lang, it doesn't need to import, it is by default import. So in happylearning.java, if you see, I have not imported anything because I have not used any class which are not present in java.lang. So class string is available in java.lang, that's reason I don't need to import that package. So java.lang is the package which is by default imported in any Java class. Okay, so this is how you will see your APIs and you can learn about those APIs.